In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Gemini AI on your PC in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or simply curious about exploring Gemini AI's capabilities, setting it up on your computer has never been easier. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Gemini AI page. If you're not quite sure which page this is, you can easily find it with a quick Google search by typing in Google Gemini AI. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll see a familiar symbol, the three-dot menu, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down list of features and settings. As you hover your cursor over the drop-down menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. It's nestled amongst other features, so scan carefully. When you hover over this option, a secondary menu will appear to the side. From here, look for and select Create a Shortcut. Selecting this will initiate a straightforward process to create an easy access link to Google Gemini AI directly from your desktop. Once you've clicked Create a Shortcut, the action will work quickly in the background. It's a seamless way to turn web applications into powerful desktop tools. After the shortcut is successfully created, you should find what we might casually refer to as the Google Gemini AI app, neatly placed in your Windows Start menu. You can quickly access it by clicking the Start button on your taskbar and scrolling through the list of applications, or simply type Gemini into the Start menu search bar if you prefer not to scroll. And there you have it. You've installed Google Gemini AI on your PC with just a few clicks. This new shortcut allows you quick access to explore all the AI-powered capabilities that Gemini has to offer, right from your PC's desktop environment. If you're someone who enjoys streamlining your digital workflow, this shortcut will undoubtedly come in handy. Having Gemini AI at your fingertips, either for work tasks or personal projects, could be a game changer. Remember to check back here or on the official Google Gemini AI page for updates and new features as they come out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be glad to help where I can. Enjoy your newly accessible technology, and happy exploring with Google Gemini AI.